So for activity 2, we are basically doing the same thing procedure-wise that we did for activity 1 with all of our calculations and finding certain data. But the difference is we're going to use a different type of vinegar than what we were given, like the white vinegar that we were given to use for activity 1. So we want to determine the acetic acid concentration in the type of vinegar that we use. And different types of vinegar will have different amounts of acetic concentration. So for data table 2, we start out by also measuring the mass of the vinegar samples, and we still want to do 3 samples because it still is a titration and we still want to find the average. So after we find the mass, then we want to go ahead and find the volume of the vinegar just like we've done. Then we want to find the initial NaOH volume in the syringe. We know that that's going to be 10 milliliters because of the instructions. Then we want to find our final NaOH volume in the syringe. Then we want to find the volume of the NaOH. So I have 5.1, 5, and 4.9. Then we want to find moles of that NaOH. Here again, this is going to be some type of math and calculations involved and conversion. So then we want to find the moles of the acetic acid. Then we want the mass of the acetic acid. And then we want to calculate the molarity of the acetic acid in the sampled vinegar. And then we want to calculate the percent mass in each sample of the acetic acid. So I have 6.6%, 6.3, and 6.1. And then we want to calculate the average mass percent of the acetic acid in the vinegar sample. And I got 6.3%.